Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to save time, avoid costly mistakes, and give every client a 5-star experience, all by using a salon consultation form. You'll learn how to choose the best way to create and send forms, paper, Google Forms, or built-in salon software. Build and customize a salon consultation form that gets the right client information every time, and apply 5 pro tips to get more clients completing your forms every time. Stay to the end so you don't miss the tips. They really make all the difference. Let's start from what a salon consultation form is and why it's so important for your beauty and wellness business. A salon consultation form is a set of targeted questions you send to clients before the appointment, so you get important client information in advance and be fully prepared for the appointment. Provide a safe, personalized experience for every service, and protect your business with signed consent and up-to-date client information. Without it, you're often scrambling on a day, asking questions in the chair, forgetting details, or risking mistakes. And here's tip number 1. In your form builder, make personal details like name, phone, and email required fields, so you never have to chase missing contact information again. Let's look at common ways to create a salon consultation form. First, paper forms. They're quick to start, but they get lost, take up space, and aren't secure. Then, Google Forms or other free tools. Fast to set up, but not linked to your bookings or client history, so your data gets scattered. Third, fillable PDFs or Word docs. You can email them, but they're clunky on mobile, don't send reminders, and are harder to track later. And finally, built-in forms in salon software. These connect directly to services, get sent automatically, are stored in client profiles, and are easy to access anytime. Tip number 2, whatever form creation tool you choose, keep it short. Only collect information you truly need. Okay, let's move on to how to make the most out of your salon consultation form. First, name it clearly. For example, hair consultation form or facial intake. Use sections like hair history, health, safety, skin goals to make it easier to follow. Mix question types, drop-downs or fixed answers, toggles for yes and no, photo uploads for before and after shots, plus short and long answers. And always add one open-ended question. Clients often share details you wouldn't think to ask. Here's tip number 3. Tell clients why you're asking. For example, this helps us prepare so you get the best results. Now, let's check out a digital automated form builder. Here's how you can easily manage your client forms using a form builder in Zolmi Salon software. First, we go to Clients, Forms, and Add Form. You can start with ready-made templates like intake form or soap notes, or create a custom form from scratch. Let's build a custom hair color consultation form. After naming the form, start from personal information, like name, phone, email, birthday, and make them all required. Then, add the hair history section, where you can ask about hair type, past color, etc. Hair goals, what they want to achieve, preferred maintenance level, and if they want stylist suggestions. Let's not forget about adding a photo upload. Very useful for before and after presentation in your portfolio later. Health and safety like allergies, sensitivities, and medical notes. And finally, consent, aftercare agreement, photo permission, and signature. If you want to update the form, just click on Edit and you can add any element you need, move them around or remove. Once you're happy with the form, choose how to send it, automatically when the service is booked or manually from client's profile. And set frequency, every booking or just once. Next, let's map the form to the services it relates to, for example, single color, balayage, or bleach and tone. When the client completes the form online, usually on their phone, it's instantly saved in your profile, linked to the booking, and tracked in the form responses report. On appointment day, you simply open your calendar and completed form is right there. No searching, no printing, easy and effortless. Here's tip number 4, test form on mobile before sending. Most clients will complete it on their phones. Now, let's talk about other ways you can use online forms beyond client intake. For example, service progress tracking, Record how clients' hair, skin, or nails change over time so we can adjust treatments for the best results. Waivers for chemical or advanced treatments, or even as internal treatment notes for your team. And here's tip number 5. It's important to send the form while the client is still excited about booking. Completion rates will be much higher. So to recap, whether you use paper, a free tool like Google Forms, or integrated forms in your salon software, the goal is the same: collect the right client data, save time on the day of the service, and deliver personalized customer experience every time. The simpler you make it, the more clients will complete it, and the smoother your salon and spa will run. I'd love to hear your own tips for using Salon Consultation form. Drop them in the comments, hit like and subscribe, or join me on live chat and book a demo call. We'll be happy to help you set up salon client consultation forms for your beauty and wellness business.